Hi, I'm student loan attorney Nancy Cavey. If you can't make your student loan payments, you might be able to get temporary relief by filing for a deferment. Can you file for a deferment if you're in default? No. You don't qualify for a deferment if you're in default. In fact, deferment is a temporary vehicle for keeping you out of default. This is particularly useful if you're enrolled in school at least half the time, serving in the military on active duty, or applying for income-based repayment plans. What's the real cost if you have unsubsidized federal student loans? The real cost of forbearance can be substantial because your interest is capitalized if you have an unsubsidized loan. What that means is that while you can delay the payment of the principal and interest, the interest continues to accrue while you're in forbearance. In other words, that interest is tacked on to the loan balance when you come out of forbearance. Forbearance can provide a temporary safety net for borrowers. The better option is to apply for an income-based repayment plan if you're unable to pay your student loan payments. It takes about 90 days for the income-based repayment plan to be approved, and we will want to temporarily use the deferment to keep your loan out of default. You can't qualify for an income-based repayment plan if you're in default, so you're going to need at least 90 days of deferment to keep yourself out of default while your application is reviewed and approved. It's better to put yourself in an income-based repayment plan rather than forbearance. Why? Well, forbearance substantially increases your loan repayment costs for borrowers who have capitalized interest. More importantly, income-based repayment plans can, depending on your income, result in low payments and even zero payments. It's far wiser for you to be in a low payment or a zero payment plan for the maximum available 60 months of forbearance. That's 5 years. Income-based repayment plans can provide for repayment of loans over 20 to 25 years. You'll have chewed up 5 years of time in forbearance that could be better used in making zero or minimal payments by being in an income-based repayment plan. What you should do next? Well, if you're unable to make or even afford your student loan payments, it's time to contact deferment or forbearance student loan attorney Nancy Cavey. I can explain your options and help you find the right repayment plan, forgiveness plan, or even a discharge plan for you. More often than not, forbearance just delays the inevitable default and costs you more. Contact me today.